Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Vinci Mini 3D printer. First, unpack your printer and carefully remove all protective packaging. Next, connect the power cable and the USB cable to your computer. Then, install the XYZware software, which is essential for controlling your printer. Finally, load your chosen filament into the printer, following the clear on-screen instructions. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, getting you ready to create amazing three-dimensional objects. Once your printer is set up, open the XYZware software. Here, you will import your three-dimensional model file. You can then adjust its size, orientation, and position on the virtual build plate to optimize your print. Next, select your desired print settings, such as a layer height of 0.2 mm or an infill density of 20%. Finally, slice the model. This process converts your design into instructions the printer understands, preparing it for creation. With your model prepared, it is time to start printing. First, ensure your build plate is perfectly clean and properly leveled. This is crucial for successful prints. Next, apply a thin, even layer of adhesive to the build plate to help your print stick securely. Then, send the sliced G-code file to your printer, either via a USB connection or wirelessly through Wi-Fi. Finally, closely monitor the first few layers to confirm proper adhesion and smooth filament extrusion. After your print is complete, carefully remove the finished three-dimensional object from the build plate. You might need to use tools to remove any support structures or rafts that were printed. For ongoing optimal performance, remember to clean the nozzle and the build plate regularly. Also, always store your filament in a dry, cool environment to prevent it from absorbing moisture, which can negatively impact print quality. Enjoy your creations and happy printing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.